The Fox and the Goat ตูกวยนาการตามเฮียเมจาคุยคดีมเทคา A fox one fell into the water เฮมาซุนตุลิคุยการยากี She could not get up again มุกาลเบเทมิโอ So he called out a goat who was just passing by อาสุนากาลิอาเปียเจตหุกิเมหินอาคุมยา The water is very good over here. Come in and have a drink, said the fox. Here we get to another at the parky. Here come to your loma timio. A goat who was rather silly fell happily. Hopelapa man is nakaku at the yellow. Without thinking anything, she left into the water. Because Ungati had done that to the kuzu so shabby. From the goat had a good drink, she asked the fox. How shall we get up? Do you want to yam? Hands to the mess not come your body look back in your team. If you stand on your hind legs, I shall climb up for your hatch and get up. Then I shall help you also to get up. None who call him now, him led and now divide. Nam say we are Kana, getting legs and kai back. Kana came pub and Negata, he can eat kai back to kai down 10. But from the phone got up. She ran away saying, You should have dodged out before you come in. Sun Jolopi, I look back on Anagatam, Hansun, Arsea, Adong Swahibai Tilomjo. I know Naxolo Hamino, Yobaka back at the Tiakanji Naxolo by suit, Lam Temyo. More, look before you left. I am Tetra Naganta, Ike Kodipo Hamino, Nibokana Iton Lokatia Sungai Madu Boa Jam Tetra Kaki. บึกแต่เกียเบิกนายเบิกอุนี้ตุโรกะเป็นรอแบถือทิ้งหู